Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to get one finger swipe screenshot feature in any Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application name as GoodLock. On the first list, you'll see the application. Just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it. And if this GoodLock is not available for your respective Samsung smartphones, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for FindLock. On the first list, you'll see the application. So you firstly download and install either the GoodLock or FindLock, whichever is available for your respective Samsung smartphones. And after that, just open the GoodLock or FindLock. Now just click on these plugins and now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here one plugin named One Hand Operation Plus. Just download and install it. So finally, we have installed the plugin One Hand Operation Plus. Just click on it. Now just turn it on. Now here you can select the left handle or right handle, or you can create your own add handle also. So let me select a left handle only. So I'll just disable the right handle right now. You can select both option also, and below there are more options. So I'll not discuss each and every options. So you can increase this bar line which is showing in the blue color by increasing it here, and you can increase or decrease the size also, and you can select the position depending upon your needs. And below there is a handle color also. You can select the respective color, whichever color you want to choose. And now just click on this left handle option and say let me just select the other options as none. I just want this straight right. You can see the direction. Just click on it. Now let me select the screenshot here. So I've selected the screenshot, so you can see the direction. So I need to swipe it like this straight, and you can select the long swipe also. So once you're done with your settings, you can just minimize it. Now say I want to take a screenshot of this home screen. So what I need to do is just I need to swipe it like this. So let me swipe it. So you can see it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get one finger swipe screenshot feature in any Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.